As we continue to count down the Oscars, I wish you could hear the chaos that goes on this break.
There's a lot going on.
We're counting down to the Oscars, and there's one thing that's almost as good as the award show itself, the after party.
The after party, which we're not invited to, but we're talking about the governor's ball, and who is invited is entertainment reporter Joel Gargiulo, who's hanging out with Wolfgang Puck, because that's what you do. You just hang out with Wolfgang, to give us a preview of the menu. Right?
Ooh.
And this award season has been special. A lot of surprises as well.
I'm loving the red carpet that we're standing on right now.
We're fancy.
The Best Picture race is still very much up in the air, along with some of the individual acting categories. Entertainment reporter Joel Gargiulo has a sneak peek at tomorrow's ceremony. So we have about 10 minutes to go. Forecast high of 58 puts us 5 degrees warmer than yesterday and about 13 above the seasonal average of 45. So it is a mild day out there before the winter light conditions make a comeback tomorrow. Current temperatures across the tri-state, we're looking at 42 in Bridgeport, 43 in Islip, 43 in Poughkeepsie and Newburgh. So mild across the board. The breeze isn't all that noticeable yet, but again, it is a huge factor in the forecast today, and it's what you will notice most as we move into the second half of your Saturday. Light breeze this morning, but right after about midday is when those gust speeds peak, and we're peaking 35 to 40 miles per hour for the second half of your Saturday as that colder air starts to filter in behind the front. Given that it's dry out there with these whipping winds, we are looking at some elevated fire danger, especially for Central and South Jersey today. That elevated risk of wildfire spread, so just be safe and smart today. No outdoor burning is recommended, just given how dry it is. Right now, we are seeing a few sprinkles on radar. The potential for a few hit or miss showers going to be there today. Right now, it just looks like some light rain in parts of Fairfield County, maybe Putnam County and northern Westchester getting a couple sprinkles as well. But it's nothing widespread or consistent. We're just going to see the potential for a few spot showers given this front in the vicinity. But what it really brings us is the whipping wind this afternoon and evening and the much colder conditions into tomorrow. So let's time it out. We're starting mild in the 40s under a mostly cloudy sky. We'll continue to see a few spot showers through this afternoon as we hit our highs a little earlier in the day. I paused it here at 12:30, and we are in the upper 50s for so much of the tri-state, some spots even hitting that 60-degree mark. That is well above the seasonal average, but it doesn't last, because watch as we put Futurecast into play into this evening. We're already seeing temperatures in the upper 30s as we approach dinner time tonight. You're already feeling the difference, and then by tomorrow morning, absolutely frigid conditions. We're looking at our air temperature falling to the teens and 20s ahead of sunrise tomorrow morning, and if air temperature is that cold, you know the wind chill is going to be brutal given the fact that our gusts are to 40. This is what we wake up to tomorrow morning. It will feel like single digits across the tri-state, which will feel especially cold given how mild it is today. Mix of sun and clouds, highs in the upper 50s today, well above the seasonal average, but we get gusty after about noon, and that brings in much colder air for tomorrow. Our lows fall to the teens and 20s, single digit wind chills, and then tomorrow's highs, guys, in the mid 30s. It'll feel like 20s because of the whipping wind. We are back to the sunny skies Sunday and Monday, but it's going to feel like winter for sure out there. So great day to stay inside and watch the Oscars for your Sunday, but enjoy the warmth today. That was the AccuWeather forecast. We'll be right back after the break.